Now in exercise 6.1, problem number 8, first sum we are going to discuss. In exercise 6.1, trigonometry chapter. First question, in 8th problem, first subdivision. That is, in 8th problem, first question is, if cos alpha divided by cos beta equal to m and cos alpha divided by sin beta equal to n, comma, then prove that m square plus n square into cos square beta equal to n square. So they are asking that whatever the side we can take it, and as per that side the proof should come as equal on both sides. So in this case, first we can take this left hand side. Left hand side is m square plus n square into cos square beta equal to m. What is the m value? Cos alpha by cos beta whole square. M value I have applied, and here square is there, so square, plus n is how much? Cos alpha divided by sin beta whole square into cos square beta. So in this case, cos alpha whole square is how much? Cos square alpha. Cos beta whole square is cos square beta. Cos alpha whole square is cos square alpha. Sin beta whole square is sin square beta into cos square beta. So in this case, first we need to take the LCM, cos square beta and sin square beta. While you are taking the LCM, sin square beta and cos square beta, what it will come? Cos square beta, sin square beta. So in this case, then what you need to do it? You need to do this like this: cos square beta, sin square beta. While you are taking LCM, this will come. So cos square beta into sin square beta divided by cos square beta, how much it will come? Cos square beta cancel. Remaining sin square beta will come. So sin square beta into cos square alpha into sin square beta. This plus is there, so plus. Cos square beta sin square beta divided by sin square beta is what? Sin square beta cancel. So remaining is cos square beta into cos square alpha into cos square beta. Now this cross multiplication is there. Here this is considered as cross multiplication. Cos square beta cancelled. In this, what are the remaining things are there? Cos square alpha. We can take it as common. So cos square alpha into, remaining how much will come? Cos square alpha into which value if you have put, this cos square alpha sin square beta will come? Sin square beta. Cos square alpha into which value we need to mention it? Cos square beta divided by sin square beta. So as per the trigonometric formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to, as per the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So 1 into cos square alpha divided by sin square beta. So now right hand side is what it is there? M square is there. So what is the value of m? Cos alpha divided by sin beta. So cos alpha, here sin beta is there. If we put whole square, we can eliminate the square like this. Well, already the square is there. So if we have separated the square, like this it will come. So cos alpha by sin beta is how much? N. And also square is there. So square. Right hand side is equal. So hence proved. This is the answer. So everyone are clear? Okay. The next one is, if cot theta plus tan theta equal to x and secant theta minus cos theta equal to y, then prove that x square y whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square whole power 2 by 3. So in this case, first what we need to do, they have given x equal to cot theta plus tan theta. They have given x equal to cot theta plus tan theta. So x equal to, as per the trigonometric formula, what is the formula for cot theta? Similar to this tan theta, 1 by tan theta plus tan theta. So x equal to tan theta into what? Tan theta? Tan square theta divided by tan theta. Then next, what we are going to do? 1 plus tan square theta is how much? What is the formula for 1 plus tan square theta? Secant square theta by tan theta. Then secant square theta. What is the secant theta formula? 1 by cos theta. So secant square means 1 by cos square theta by tan theta formula is sin theta by cos theta. Now 1 by cos square theta into this cos theta will come as a numerator, cos theta by sin theta. This will be converted as this, cos theta 1 by x equal to 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Then next one. So until this x value we have found out. The next thing is, we need to find out through this y value. Y equal to what? Y equal to secant theta minus cos theta. Secant theta, what is the formula for secant theta? Related with this cos theta? 1 by cos theta. So y equal to cos theta into cos theta how much? 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos theta. So 1 minus cos square theta. What is the formula for 1 minus cos square theta? What is the formula? 1 minus cos square theta formula? Sin square theta divided by cos theta. So we have found out the x value and y value. We have found out x value and y value. So now we need to go with that. We need to substitute, that is prove that x square y whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square whole power 2 by 3 equal to 1. Proof, we need to find the proof as 1. So x square y whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square whole power 2 by 3. So how much it will come? X is what? 1 by cos theta sin theta. So 1 by cos theta sin theta means 1 by cos square theta sin square theta into y is how much? Sin square theta by cos theta whole power 2 by 3. Y value is sin square theta by cos theta. So I have mentioned this y equal to sin square theta by cos theta whole power 2 by 3 minus x is how much? 1 by cos theta sin theta. Y is how much? Sin square theta. So sin square theta means sin square whole square is how much? Sin power 4 theta. Sin square whole square is how much? Sin power 4 theta. Because in this y we are going to substitute this one. So y square means sin square whole square. So then cos theta is cos square theta whole power 2 by 3. Now we need to cancel sin square theta, sin square theta. Then this one 3 This is correct. So 1 by cos cube theta whole power 2 by 3 minus sin cube theta, cos theta into cos square theta how much? Sin cube theta by cos cube theta whole power 2 by 3. So in this case, next how we are going to solve this one? So we are going to solve this as how we know that 1 by cos cube theta whole power 2 by 3 minus sin cube theta whole power 2 by 3 by cos cube theta. So in this case, how we can substitute? We can substitute this as here 1 power 2 by 3. Any number power 1 power any number is 1 only. So 1 cos cube into 2 by 3 is how much? 3 cancelled. Cos square theta minus sin cube theta is how much? 3 cancelled. Sin square, this 3 cancelled. So remaining is sin square theta. Cos cube theta is how much? Cos cube into 3 into 2 by 3. 3 cancelled. So cos square theta. So now we need to take LCM. So when we are taking LCM, cos square theta will come. Cos square theta divided by cos square theta 1. 1 into 1 1. Here minus is there. Cos square theta divided by cos square theta 1. 1 into sin square theta is sin square theta. So as per the trigonometric formula, 1 minus sin square theta formula is what? Cos square theta divided by cos square theta. So cos square theta by cos square theta 1. Right hand side is 1. So we have proved. So hence proved. That's all about this problem.